Right everyone, just bought this Trans van. It has a bit of rust on it. That's why it failed the MOT. I had a wee look under it. I can only see a wee bit of rust along there. The rest of it doesn't seem too bad. But I'll give it a wee power wash here. Right, just want to go under here and have a wee look. Probably should wait till it's dry like, but have a wee quick look under. That's the bit I seen there. There's a bit there too. Bits there, I can see. Oh, that's the worst there. And there. Just a wee bit. Two wee bits there. Don't think the back's too bad. Definitely there. There. Let's see if I have a couple of bits of metal lying about. Everything else looks alright. They look easy enough to repair. Looks like filler or something somebody's put in. Right everyone, that's going to do it for this video. If you want to see my weld underneath it, please subscribe. I don't know when I'll get a chance to do it. hopefully soon enough. I'm trying to build my own house and run a business, but I'd like to get this on the road pretty soon. That's the Vico Daily. It's 5.5 tonne with a 3 litre engine, and then that's the wee house I'm building. It has these glass windows on the back. Thinking of maybe getting a bit of plywood, painting the back of it black, just to black them out. That's what I've done with the Vico Daily. Same with that window. I'll give in here a wee power wash too. But hopefully I can get it on the road for cheap enough. Just save me driving that truck all the time. And there's a lot of wee jobs I do where I only need a small van like this would do alright. I can use it to go and look at price jobs and drive in and out of town and stuff as well. That's as long as I can get it on the road for cheap enough. The engine and all seems to work alright. Gearbox is alright, just that bit of rust. And I'll check the brakes as well. But again, thanks for watching everyone. If you want to keep up to date. Again, thanks for watching everyone. If you want to keep up to date, subscribe. Thank you.